I, Douglas McGill, in the presence of God, take you, Danielle Cox.
I, Danielle Cox, take you, Douglas McGill.
We were choosing opportunity.
From this day forward, for better, for worse.
Was a target worth the vanity?
To love and to cherish,
Was it worth the sacrifice?
as long as we both shall live.
As long as we both shall live.
She was always just fun to be around.
I talk to him all the time, and then he takes me to school every day.
I'd tell my parents I was going to walk my dog. She told her parents she was going for a walk, and we'd meet up at the park and just hang out.
And then it clicks, there's feelings.
That was 6 years ago. I think her personality, how she'd always put me ahead of her own needs and wants and that, and she's always putting other people ahead of her. She's just got this, attitude towards life where she's just a carer, looks after people, looks after me.
His smile breaks my heart. So cheeky, and he gets away with it. But no matter what time of the day, what situation, I look at him and he just calms me, brings me back to center. No one else in the world can do that.
Sometimes I see the journey back road. Sometimes I wanna go. Read the line from my memory. Let the truth be known.
The best part of the day will be probably seeing her walk down the aisle. I'm probably going to cry when I see her walk down the aisle. Danielle, thank you for saying yes in the first place and allowing this all to happen. Start a new life together. Spend the rest of my life with you.
I'm excited to be finally, after all this time, your wife. And I know we've done so much, but this is the biggest thing that we've both ever done. I'm excited to start a family.
Starting a family. I know it's something she really wants.
And I think you'll be the best dad. I'm so excited to see that.
And we're real proud of him, my wife and I, and all of us. We reckon it's been a great day, and it's going to keep on keeping on. Raise your glasses to all the plumbers in the room and the bride and groom.
I cannot wait to see you and party with you for the rest of the night. Can't wait to see you.
Most of you know, Dani is not very punctual. We would have to leave to school at around 8:15 and Dani would roll out of bed at 8 o'clock. But then, something changed. Dani would be up early, she would hurry me up to get out the door and then we'd start walking down the street. And about 50 metres down the street, I would spot this black Honda Civic. Doug would be sitting there waiting to give us a lift to school. And I thought anyone that gets Dani out of bed early must be pretty special.
Doug, I would like to officially welcome you into the family. It feels like I'm not losing a daughter, but gaining a son. And plumber. We could not have asked for a more loving, loyal, and thoughtful girl.
If I had to make a speech about every good thing that both of them have done for me, we'd be here all night till the sun came up. To the couple that would do anything for anybody here, just please raise your glass.
To the happy couple, here's to it. To Doug and Danielle.